Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. Today we will discuss paper number 299, reasoning paper. See the first one. Directions 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully and answer the given below questions. 8 persons sit around a circular table but not necessarily in the same order, all of them facing towards the table. So there are totally 8 persons are there. So two possibilities. And all are facing center. See the first one. 3 persons sit between PU and ENO. So PU and ENO, and also there are 3 persons between both. Next, 1 person sit between ENO and John, who is immediate right of ENO. So between ENO and John, 1 person is there, and John is immediate right of ENO. Okay. Coming to the second possibility, John is placing here and John is immediate right of ENO. Sam is neither adjacent to PU nor ENO. So Sam not coming these two places and this one places, only Sam is placing here. Coming to the second possibility, here also Sam not coming, and these two places also Sam not coming, only placing here. Okay. And next, next point, Sack sit opposite to Joy, who is adjacent to Sam. So coming to the Sam, so Sack is opposite to Joy. So Joy here, Joy is adjacent to Sam, and here Sack is placing. Coming to the second one, and Sam here and Joy and Sack here. Next point, Ali is not adjacent to PU. So Ali is not adjacent to PU, only one place we left, this is, and if Ali is placing here, so both are adjacent to each other. This one is not correct. Coming to this one, Ali is placing here and PU is here. Okay. So this possibility is only correct one. It is the final arrangement of the puzzle. And let us move on to the questions. See the first question. Who among the following persons second to the left of Jai? So second to the left of Jai, that is Ilu. Sorry, second to the left in the sense that is Ali. Who among the following persons sit immediate right of Ali? That is Sam. So question number 3, which one doesn't belonging to the group? First of all, Ali and Ilu. Ali and Ilu both are opposite. Inu and Pu both are opposite, and Joy, Sack both are opposite to each other. John and Sam both are opposite to each other, and Joy and Ali not opposite to each other. What is the position of PU with respect to John? So PU here and John here. From John, PU is second to the left. How many persons sit between Inu and Ilu when counted from right of Ilu? So Ilu here and Inu here. So counted from right of Ilu. So 1, 2, only 2 persons are there. Next, 6 to 9, we have syllogism. So see first one, some wheat are pulses. So some wheat are pulses. Only few grapes are wheat. So only few grapes are wheat. Only a few. No grape is school. So no grape is school. See the first conclusion. Some wheat is not school. So wheat here and school here. Some part of wheat is grape and no grape is school. So this one is correct. Some pulses can be grapes. So pulse here and grapes here. Some pulses can be. So possibility is definitely follows. So some grapes are wheat and some wheat are pulses. Second possibility is definitely follows. Option 5. Both are follows. Next, question number 7. Only a few covers are tea. So only a few covers are tea. Some tea is phone and all phones are message. Some cover is phone. Cover here and phone here. No definite relation between both. So first one is not follows. Some tea is message. So tea here and message here. So here some is definitely follows. Only second conclusion follows. Question number 8. no year is edit. So no year is edit. And next, at most year is 7, in the sense sum. So at most sum is 7. 87.59% edit is sheet, it means sum edit is sheet. Okay. So up to 99.9% is also taking sum. Okay. So see what are the conclusions. All 7 is edit. So edit here and 7 here, there is no definite relation between both. First one is not follows. Next, no year is sheet, year here and sheet here. Okay. So between both no definite relation, this one is also not follow. So what is answer? Neither 1 nor 2 follows. Question number 9, only curd is honey, it means all honey is curd, honey related only with curd. At least curd is tomato. So at least curd is tomato, in the sense some tomato is curd. Next, all lime is tomato. So all lime is tomato. See the conclusion, no honey is tomato. So actually according to statement, honey related with only curd. So no honey is tomato definitely follows. Some lime is curd, lime here and curd here. So no definite relation between both. Second one is not follows. Option 1. Option 1 is the answer. Next, again we have one more puzzle. See the first one. Study the following information carefully and answer the given below questions. See the first one, 4 girls, Atiya, Neha, Sneha and Jyoti, and 4 boys, Sahil, Aman, Nikhil and Umesh, are working in a company but not necessarily in the same order. 8 different designations starting with CEO, CFO, CTO and CRO, HR, accountant, engineer and QA. In the order of seniority, CEO is the senior most designation and the QA is the junior most designation. 2 same gender persons are not working adjacent to each other. So 2 same genders ante 2 boys gaani 2 girls gaani adjacent ga undakodu. It means 1 boy and 1 girl, 1 boy 1 girl, 1 boy 1 girl. So ala ravali manaku. So start with puzzle. So economy, first of all designations radham, CEO and CFO, next CTO and CRO, again HR and accountant, that is engineer and QA. So 2 possibilities we will try. See the first one. Umesh is 3 positions junior to Atiya, who is just junior to Nikhil. So Ramesh is 3 positions junior to Atiya. So Atiya, and Atiya is just junior to Nikhil. The number of persons senior to Nikhil is the same number of persons junior to Neha. There are 2 designations between Sneha and Sahil, who is senior to Jyoti. Sahil is senior to Jyoti. Aman is not junior to Jyoti. So there is no direct statement here. We will try possibilities. So see the first point. Umesh is 3 posts junior to Atiya, who is just junior to Nikhil. So Nikhila. So first of all, Nikhila is placing here, and so just junior, that is Atiya. Okay. So between Atiya and Umesh there are 3 positions. Umesh is 3 posts junior to Atiya. So 1, 2 and 3. Here Umesh is placing. Umesh is placing. It is the first possibility. And coming to the second one, second one. So see, Atiya take here, and Atiya paina evaru vastaru, Nikhil, and 1, 2 and 3. Here Umesh is placing. Here Umesh is placing. It is second possibility. So what is the one more possibility? That is Nikhil, Atiya, okay, and 1, 2 and 3. Here Umesh. Here Umesh is there. So 3 possibilities. So next point chuddam okkasari. Next point, the number of persons senior to Nikhil is same number of persons junior to Neha. So number of persons senior to Nikhil, that is 2 points and 2 positions, and junior to Neha. So junior to Neha is also 2 positions. Coming to this one, here Neha is placing, and coming to here 1 2 and 1 to here Neha is placing. Okay, so next there are 2 designations between Sneha and Sahil, who is senior to Jyoti. So between Sneha and Sahil, there are 2 positions, and Sahil who is senior to Jyoti. Aman is not junior to Jyoti. Okay, so ఇది మనకున్నటువంటి కండిషన్. సో ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం మనం ఎక్కడ మనం వీటిని ప్లేస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు between Sneha and, so if Sneha is placing here 1 and 2, here Sahil is placing, and Sahil is senior to Jyoti. And next వచ్చేసి Aman is not junior to Jyoti. So Aman is placing. Aman here placing. And next coming to the here and Sneha and Sahil. So Sneha and Sahil here, and next Jyoti is placing here, and Aman is placing here. So coming to this one, so Sneha and Sahil, and next Jyoti, again Aman is placing here. Aman is not junior to Jyoti, Aman is senior to Jyoti, and Umesh is 3 positions junior to Atiya, who is just junior to Nikhila. And next, the number of persons senior to Nikhil is the same number of persons junior to Neha, and there are 2 designations between Sneha and Sahil, who is senior to Jyoti. Aman is not junior to Jyoti. So ఇక్కడ మనకి అన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ కరెక్ట్గానే వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి, సో ఒకసారి ఈ పాయింట్ చూడండి, 2 సేమ్ జెండర్స్ పర్సన్స్ నాట్ వర్కింగ్ అడ్జసెంట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. సో ఇక్కడ నిఖిల్ ఈజ్ ద మేల్, and Atiya is the female, and next Sneha is the female. ఇక్కడ 2 females వచ్చినారు కాబట్టి this one is not correct. Coming to here, Aman and Sneha. Aman is male, Sneha female, Nikhil male, and Atiya is also Atiya female, and Sahil. So Sahil is male, and Neha is female, and Umesh is male, and next Jyoti is female. Okay, so Aman, Sneha, Nikhil, Atiya, Sahil, Neha, Umesh and Jyoti. So ఈ 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్ సేమ్ వచ్చినాయి కదా, కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు రబ్ దిస్ 2. ఓకే, దిస్ 2 రఫ్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ సేమ్ అన్నీ కూడా ఇచ్చినాయి. సో మేల్ ఫీమేల్, అగైన్ మేల్ ఫీమేల్, సో మేల్ ఫీమేల్, మేల్ అండ్ ఫీమేల్, కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ వీ లెఫ్ట్ విత్ దిస్ పాసిబిలిటీ. లెట్ us మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద క్వశ్చన్స్లోకి వెళ్దాం. ఇక there are 5 questions on this puzzle. 10th one, who among the following person work CTO, that is Nikhil. How many persons senior to Neha? So Neha here 1 2 3 4 5 persons are there. How many designations are there between Jyoti and Nikhil? So between Jyoti and Nikhil, Jyoti here and Nikhil here 1 2 3 and 4 persons are there, 4 positions are there. What is the designation of Atiya? So Atiya is the CRO. Question number 14. So find out one which does not belonging into the group. So see first Jyoti and QA. So Jyoti is the QA. First one is correct. Aman CEO. Second one is also correct. Nikhil CTO. So Nikhil is CTO correct. And Atiya HR. Atiya is not HR. This one is the answer. Umesh and engineer. So Umesh is the engineer. Option 4 is the answer. Option 4 is the odd one out. Next, question number 15. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word hooking? HOOKING. Each of which has many letters between them in the word. They have English alphabets both forward and backward directions. So see first one HIJK. So first one is H and K. Next, OPQRST. So JKLMN. So IJK. So ekkada ledu. Coming to backward, GHI. So G and I. JKLM. So NOPQR. సో IJKLM KLMN. సో ఇక్కడ ఏది లేదు, ఓన్లీ 2 ఈజ్ 2 pairs we are getting. Next question number 16 to 20. So coding and decoding. See the first one. First of all, we will try to find each word coding. After that we can move on to the questions. See the first one, first line. In first line, advertising and sales, marketing, marketing management and business, business advertising and commerce, and sales, commerce, prevents and action. So ikkada most repeated word that is and. Okay, first, second and third. So see what is the code for and. So what is the code for and? KP and KP and KP. So what is the code for and? That is KP. Next, see advertising and first and third. Okay, so that is PZ. So see PZ is the code for advertising. Advertising is code for PZ. Next, marketing. So see marketing and marketing, first and second. So see what is the code for marketing? That is FR. FR is the code for marketing. And next, there are remaining word that is sales. So sales, what is the code for sale? That is MX. MX is the code for sales. Okay, sales here and also sales here. MX is the code for sales. Next, coming to the second one, management. There is no management word. Business. So business and business. So what is the code for business? That is WR. WR is the code for business. Next, remaining word that is management. What is the code for management? DH. DH is the code for management. Coming to the third one, left with only commerce. Commerce is PK. Next, coming to the last one, commerce. So commerce is also again. Next, remaining 2 words we left. Okay, that is VD and FR. So prevent or action. Prevent or action, both are coded either VD or IF. So VD or IF. So VD or IF. So let us move on to the questions. See the first question. Which among the following word will be coded as MX? So MX is coded as, that is sales. What will be the code for the word marketing? So marketing, that is FR. If never action is coded as LY and HY. Okay, so what will be the code for prevent life? Already last word lo prevent and action is coded as VD or LY, LF. So here never action, action is coded as what? That is IF. So action is IF, action is IF. Then prevent is coded as VD. So what is the code for prevents life? So according to coding and decoding, we don't have the word life. Okay, so see options student okkasari, VD and HY. HY, there is no HY here. And next VD and UY. సో యూవై అనే వర్డ్ కూడా లేదు మనకి ఇక్కడ హెచ్వై లేదు, ఇక్కడ యూవై కూడా లేదు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ద థర్డ్ వన్, అండ్ VDIF ఉంది. సో ఈ 2 ఆప్షన్స్లో ఏదైనా కావచ్చు మనకి, కాబట్టి కెనాట్ బి డిటర్మైన్ ఈజ్ ద ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 19, విచ్ అమంగ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ కాంబినేషన్ ఈజ్ డెఫినెట్లీ ట్రూ? సేల్స్ FR, నాట్ కరెక్ట్. యాక్షన్ IF, సో నాట్ కరెక్ట్. అండ్ ప్రివెంట్ VD, నాట్ కరెక్ట్. బిజినెస్ WR, so business WR is the correct one. What is the code for the word advertising? That is PZ. Next, question number 21. If we form a 5-letter meaningful word with 2nd, 5th, 6th, 8th and 11th letters, so professional. In this word, 2nd letter that is R, and 5th that is E, and next 6th that is S, 7 and 8th that is I, and 9, 10, 11 that is A. So RESIA, by using these letters, how many meaningful words can be formed? So first of all, by using these words, these letters, we can form, first one is arise. First word is arise. Next word is the rise, RAISC. Okay, so we can form only two words from these letters. Okay, these two words are forming. What is the answer? If more than one meaningful word formed, then mark as M. Okay, option 4 is the answer. Next, 22 to 26. Okay, so to see 22 to 26, here we have one more puzzle is there. See the first one. 6 boxes are kept one above another such that the bottommost box is number 1 and just above box is number 2 until topmost box is 6. All these boxes contain different fruits: apple, mango, kiwi, pear, cherry and grapes, but not necessarily in the same order. So ikkada total 6 boxes are there: 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Each boxes contain some different types of fruits. Next, 2 boxes are kept between box containing apple and box H. So each box has one name, English alphabets lo, and also fruits. So total we are getting 3 columns. So see first one, it is the box name and fruit. Next, second possibility, box name and fruit. Okay, so we will try 2 possibilities, or else we can do one more thing. Okay, so 2 possibilities at a time we will do. Okay, so 2 box name and fruits. See the first one. 2 boxes are kept between box containing apple and box H. And next, and see the next one. 3 boxes are kept between box H and box T, which is an even numbered box. Okay, so T lives in even numbered box. Suppose first one is T here, if T here, and between box H and box T there are 3 boxes are there, 1, 2 and 3. Here H is placing. And next, coming to the second possibility, in 4th box we can place T, 1, 2, 3. There is no chance to place H. Suppose box T here, 1, 2, 3. Here H is placing, 1, 2, 3. And next T, 1, 2 and 3. Here H is placing. And next, 2 boxes are kept between box containing apple and box H. So 1 and 3. Here apple is there, and 1, 2. Here apple is there. Okay. Next, 1 box is kept between box containing grapes and box V. So between grapes and V, 1 box is there. Next, number of boxes kept above V is the same number of boxes kept below box containing kiwi. So above V is equals to below kiwi. And next, box V doesn't contain apple, so V is not placing here, and V is not placing here. Next, box S is kept just above box which contain cherry and just below box which contain mango. So here S is just above cherry, so S is just above cherry and just below mango. Okay, so these 3 are in same line. Next, T doesn't contain mango, so T is not mango. So T is not mango, here not mango, and here also not mango. Next, box Q is kept below box P and box H. So see, this point is important. Box Q is kept below box P and box H. So in first possibility, box H is there, here Q is placing. Why? Because Q is box below box P and box H below, and here we have H is there. So in these 4 places we will get Q anywhere. Okay. And next, so see possibility Sudhamika, between grapes and V, 1 is there, above V and below kiwi is same boxes are there. And next, S, mango and cherry, these three are same. So suppose if S is placing here, S is placing here, and here mango is there, and next cherry is coming, cherry is placing here. And coming to the second possibility, if S is placing here and mango is there, and next here cherry is placing, and here V is not placing, V is placing here, and T is not liking mango, T వచ్చేసి mango like చేయడు కాబట్టి, and above, so grapes and V, between both one person is there. So see here grapes we can fix, so here grapes we can fix, and next above V and below kiwi both are equal. So here above V there are two persons, and below kiwi there are two persons, and here mango is there. The remaining person P is placing here. Okay. And coming to the second possibility, we will try these possibilities. So వీటిని మనం ఫాలో చేద్దాం. And mango, cherry and here, and next above V and below kiwi both are same. So if V is placing here and kiwi is placing here, kiwi is placing here, between grapes and V one person is there, so we don't have any place to fix grapes here. So second possibility is not correct, only this possibility is right. Let us move on to the questions. See question number 22. Which of the following statement is true? Box Q contain pear. Okay, so box Q contain pear. So pear we left with pear. So ikkada pear కాదు, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేది ఇక్కడ మ్యాంగో కాదు, pear వస్తుంది. ఎస్, ఇక్కడ మ్యాంగో కాదు, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి పియర్. ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ మ్యాంగో వచ్చింది కదా, వి వచ్చేసి మ్యాంగో వచ్చింది కాబట్టి పియర్ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. అండ్ బాక్స్ క్యూ కంటైన్ పియర్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. Two boxes are kept between P and H. So between P and H there are two boxes are there. H is kept just below box kiwi. So H is just below box kiwi. This is also correct. All 1, 2, 3 are true. Next question number 23. Which box is kept just above box P? That is tree grapes. Box tree grapes. How many boxes are kept below between box which contain mango and Q? So mango here and Q here, between both two boxes are there. Which of the following box is kept at the second from bottom position, that is H cherry. So box cherry. The sum of the boxes, box number of box T and box containing cherry. So first of all box T. So box T number is, that is 6, and cherry, so cherry number is 2. So sum of these two, that is 8. 8 is the answer. Next 27 to 29. So blood relation is there. See the first one. There are 8 members in 3 generation family. There is no single parent in the family. H is the only daughter of M, who is the wife of U. So H is the only daughter of M, who is wife of U. Suppose M is wife of U, in the sense U is the husband of M. These two are married couple. H is the daughter of M and U. Next, S is the only son of T, who is brother-in-law of P, who is unmarried. So S is the only son of T. T is the brother-in-law of P. So T is the brother-in-law of P. Okay, so T is male candidate, and who is unmarried? P is unmarried. Brother, either brother or sister of P is married by T. So obviously she is female candidate. Why? Because T is the male candidate. And next, B is sister-in-law of F, who is child of H. So B is the sister-in-law of F, who is child of F. So F is the child of H. B is the sister-in-law of F. So B is the sister-in-law of F. Either brother or sister of this person is married by B. So obviously he is brother. He is male candidate. This male candidate is married B. Okay. So ఈ రెండింటిని మిక్స్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాం ఇక. సో టీ ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ జనరేషన్లో ఎం ప్లస్ యూ వచ్చినారు అండ్ దెర్ ఈజ్ నో సింగిల్ పేరెంట్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్యామిలీ అన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం తీసుకోవచ్చు అంటే డైరెక్ట్గా, సో ఇక్కడ టీ ఈజ్ మేల్ క్యాండిడేట్ అండ్ దిస్ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ మ్యారీడ్ పి. సో హెచ్ని ఎవరు మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకుంటాడు, ఇక్కడ టీ వచ్చేసి మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకుంటారు. హెచ్ ఈజ్ ద డాటర్ ఆఫ్ ఎం అండ్ యూ అండ్ పి ఈజ్ brother of H. Why? Because H is the only daughter of M. H is the only daughter of M in the sense P and H are both children of M and U. And next coming to this one, and here S is placing and F and S both are married couple and B is sister of S and F and B both are sister-in-law and so on. Okay, so it is the final arrangement. Let us move on to the questions. How B related to T? So B here and T here, obviously B is the daughter-in-law. So B is the daughter-in-law of T. And next, how P related to M? So P here and M here, that is son. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. Which among the following doesn't belonging into the group? M is female candidate and F is female and H is female and S is male candidate and B is female candidate. Only S is the odd one out. Next, 30 to 34. One more puzzle is there. See the puzzle. 8 persons M, N, O, P, Q, R, S and T live on an 8-story building but not necessarily in the same order. The bottommost floor is number 1 and just above number 2 and so on. And so see, consecutive alphabetically named person doesn't live adjacent to floors. So in the sense, these two are not adjacent, these two are not adjacent and these two are not adjacent. So పక్కపక్కన ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళు అడ్జసెంట్గా కూర్చోరని మీనింగ్ అనమాట. ఇది మనకున్నటువంటి కండిషన్. సో టోటల్ 8 floor బిల్డింగ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. See the first one, 4 persons live between Q and S, 1 person live between R and P who lives below Q, and 3 persons live between O and M. N doesn't live on the topmost floor and T doesn't adjacent to O. Okay, so there is more possibilities we are getting. So see the first point, and first point student okkasari 4 persons live between Q and S. ఓకే, సో ఈ పాయింట్ మనం ఫిక్స్ చేద్దాం. సో బిట్వీన్ క్యూ అండ్ ఎస్ దేర్ ఆర్ 4 persons are there. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ క్యూ 1 2 3 and 4 ఎస్. నెక్స్ట్ క్యూ 1 2 3 and 4 హియర్ ఎస్ is there, and next క్యూ 2 3 and 4 here S is there. Okay, so 3 possibilities, and 4 persons live between Q and S. 1 person live between R and P who lives below Q. So R and P. So between R and P, how many persons are there? One person is there. And P is below Q. So P is below Q in the sense, మనం ఎక్కడ మనం ప్లేస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సపోజ్ ఆర్ని ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేసుకోవడానికి లేదు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్, suppose if R is placing here 1 2, here P is placing, and next coming to this possibility, if R is placing here 1 2, here P is placing. Next coming to the next one, and one more possibility is there, and R here and P here, and ఇంకొకటి కూడా మనం తీసుకోవచ్చు. సపోజ్ Q and S ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే R is placing here and P is placing here. Okay, so we are getting multiple number of possibilities. So అన్నీ కూడా ట్రై చేయాల్సిందే, తప్పదు. R and P, S and Q. Next, 3 persons live between O and M. So between O and M there are 3 persons are there, and N doesn't live on the topmost floor. n is not on the topmost floor, t not adjacent to O. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి 3 persons live between O and M అంటున్నాడు. సో O and M we can fix here, and coming to this one O and M placing here, and next coming to the next possibility that is so O is placing 1 2 3, M is placing here. Okay, so and next again O and 1 2 3, here M is placing, and next O here 1 2 3, here M is placing. 3 persons live between O and M, and next N doesn't live on the topmost floor, T not adjacent to O. So T not adjacent to O in the sense either T placing here and N is placing here, it is the possibility. And next coming to this one, so N placing here and T is not adjacent to O, or else ఇక్కడ మనం ప్లేస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అంటే T is placing and N is placing. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఎక్కడ కానీ ఈ రెండింటిని మనం ప్లేస్ చేయలేం. సో దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్, ఓన్లీ దిస్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్, దీస్ టూ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఆర్ కరెక్ట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే adjacent to alphabetically named persons doesn't adjacent to each other. So see QR, so PQR, these two are adjacent, this one is also not correct. So ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడైనా ఉందా మనకి అడ్జసెంట్గా OQTR MPS and only this one is the follows. See the question, student ఒకసారి. Who among the following persons just above R? So just above R, that is T. How many persons live between T and P? So between T and P, 2 persons are there. On which of the following floors M lives? That is 4th. Question number 33. Who among the following doesn't belonging into the group? So Q, O, N and P and R. So see, so Q which is 7th floor and O 8th floor, next N 1st, and next P 3rd floor and R 5th floor. So only O is the even numbered floor. If all the persons live according to the English alphabetical series top to bottom, then how many persons remain unchanged their positions? So from top to bottom, so చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. Top to bottom, that is M N O P Q R S and T. So ఇక్కడ how many persons are unchanged? So S is unchanged, only S is unchanged, only one person is not changing their position. So clear? Next 35 to 36. 6 persons B, P, M, Q, T and W standing in different directions at different distance from each other. B is 5 meters south of T and 7 meters west of Q. So B is the 5 meters south of T, and next 3 meters 7 meters west of Q. So 7 meters west of Q. Next P is 9 meters north of Q. So P is 9 meters north of Q and 12 meters north of W. So already Q ki P వచ్చేసి నార్త్ ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి it is 9 meters, 12 meters in the sense, so from here W here already 9 meters is there, here 10 11 12, so 3 meters from W. So 3 plus 9 total 12 meters, it is the 12 meters. Next M is north of T M is north of T and west of P. So M is north of T and west of P. So ఇక్కడ చూస్తే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ లైన్ ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి it is 5, it is total 9 and it is 4 meters, and M to P that is 7 meters. Okay, so So it is the final arrangement. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question. Which direction m with respect to w? So m here and w here, that is northwest. Northwest is the answer. What is the shortest distance between m and t? So between m and t, what is the shortest distance? That is 4 meters. Next, 37 to 39. See the questions. How many letters are immediately preceded by a number, immediately followed by a vowel? Okay, number, letter and vowel. So back side చూద్దాం ఒకసారి, vowel, letter and number చూద్దాం. See first one, and E, 7, Y and E. So number, letter and vowel 1. And next, so O and so ఇంకా ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? O, number, letter and same. Only one we are getting. So next, question number 38. What will be the sum of all the numbers which are immediately followed by a odd number? So we need to find this sum. So ఒకసారి చూడండి, number and odd number. So number and odd number, that is 6 plus, and number and odd number, that is 2 plus, and number and odd number only these two. 6 plus 2, that is 8 is the answer. Question number 39. Which element is fifth to the right of the 10th element, 10th letter from right hand? So fifth right and 10th right. So both right కాబట్టి ఏం చేసుకోవచ్చు మనం, మైనస్ చేయొచ్చు. 10 minus 5, that is fifth from right. So fifth from right, 1 2 3 4 5. Actually 4 is the answer. 4 ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు కాబట్టి ఆప్షన్ 5 4ని రాసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్, లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. In a row all are facing north, and Geeta is 17th from left end. So Geeta is the 17th from left end. And next, Hina is 21st from right end. So Hina is the 21st from right end. And next, Jyoti, who is 25th from left end and sits 6th to the left of Hina. So if Jyoti is taking here, Jyoti is 25th from left end. So 25th from left end and 6th to the left of Hina. So from Hina నుండి ఎంత ఉంది, 6th. అంటే బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ 1 2 3 4 5 పర్సన్స్ ఉంటారు. 6th పర్సన్ వచ్చేసి జ్యోతి, కంపేర్ విత్ హీనా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్, హౌ మెనీ పర్సన్స్ సిట్ ఇన్ ద రో? సో ఇక్కడ చూస్తే జ్యోతి చూడండి ఒకసారి. సో జ్యోతితో కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే సరిపోద్ది. సో జ్యోతి ఈజ్ 25th ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఎండ్, ప్లస్ బిట్వీన్ జ్యోతి అండ్ హీనా దేర్ ఆర్ 5 పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. అండ్ విత్ హీనాతో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు, రైట్ సైడ్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ, దట్ ఈస్ 21 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. సో 25 plus 5, 30 40 50 51. So total how many persons are there? Total 51 persons are there. Either right side or left side, ఏదైనా సరే మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు.